You find yourself squinting at the screen while chatting with Claude. The default font is clean, but perhaps it just doesn't suit your eyesight. Stick with me until the very end, and I will share a trick to make sure your text stays crisp and easy on the eyes, no matter which font you choose. Fonts are not just about style, they are about how your eyes track across a line. Your computer uses default settings designed for the average user, but that average does not always include your personal comfort. Using a font that clashes with your vision is like wearing shoes that do not fit. It slows down your workflow and makes you feel tired before your project is even finished. To fix this, log into your Claude account. Move your mouse to the lower left corner and click your profile icon. A small menu will appear. Select Settings. Within the Settings window, look for the option labeled Appearance. Inside this section, you will see a heading for Chat Font Settings. You have three main choices here. You can stick with the default setting, which is the standard look Claude uses for everyone. You can also pick a font designed specifically to be dyslexic-friendly, which helps many people read faster and with less effort. The third option is the system font. When you select this, Claude stops using its own style and looks at the fonts installed directly on your PC. If you want a specific style, go to the font settings on your computer's control panel. You can pick any font installed on your machine. Once your PC font is updated, Claude will automatically pick it up, provided you have selected the Match System option. Every new chat you open from that moment on will display using the font you selected for your system. The tip I promised involves your font choice. If you are going to change your system font, make sure you choose one that is legible at smaller sizes. Many people love a fancy script font, but those are difficult to read in a long chat conversation. Stick to sans serif fonts if you want to avoid eye strain during long sessions. That covers everything you need to know about customizing your workspace. Now, your text looks exactly how you want it.